Hello and welcome to Vitals Health. In this video, we will discuss the top 15 fruits suitable for individuals with diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. One of the most critical factors in managing diabetes is maintaining a healthy diet. Fruits are essential to a healthy diet, but not all fruits are created equal. Some fruits are high in sugar and can cause blood sugar levels to spike, which is not ideal for diabetes patients. Therefore, it's important to choose fruits that are low in sugar and high in nutrients. We will discuss each fruit's nutritional benefits and how it can help individuals with diabetes. Keywords: diabetes, fruits, healthy diet, blood sugar levels, nutritional benefits. Welcome to our video on the top 15 fruits for diabetes patients. Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and one of the most essential factors in managing diabetes is maintaining a healthy diet. In this video, we will discuss fruits that are low in sugar and high in nutrients, making them suitable for diabetes patients. So, let's dive into the top 15 fruits for diabetes patients. Number 15. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and are low in sugar, making them a great option for diabetes patients. They are also high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 14. Strawberries. Strawberries are another fruit that is low in sugar and high in fiber. They are also rich in vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and improve overall health. Number 13. Raspberries. Raspberries are a great source of fiber, and they also contain a compound called ellagic acid, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Additionally, raspberries are low in sugar, making them suitable for diabetes patients. Number 12. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a low-sugar fruit that is high in vitamin C and potassium. It can also help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Number 11. Kiwi. Kiwi is a tropical fruit that is high in vitamin C and fiber. It also contains a digestive enzyme called actinidin, which can help improve digestion. Number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is a low-sugar fruit that is high in antioxidants and vitamin C. It also contains a compound called lycopene, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 9. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is a low-sugar fruit that is high in vitamin A and C. It also contains a compound called beta-carotene, which can help improve eye health. Number 8. Peaches. Peaches are a low-sugar fruit that is high in vitamin C and fiber. They are also a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Number 7. Apricots. Apricots are another low-sugar fruit that is high in fiber and vitamin A. They also contain a compound called beta-carotene, which can help improve skin health. Before we continue, please show us some love by liking us and subscribing to our channel VitalsHealth. You will stay updated on the latest health news and tips and be the first to know about our new videos. So don't wait, click the subscribe button now, and join the VitalsHealth community. Blessing. Number 6. Apples. Apples are a great source of fiber, and they are also low in sugar. They are also high in antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system. Number 5. Cherries. Cherries are a low-sugar fruit that is high in antioxidants and fiber. They also contain a compound called anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation. Number 4. Pears. Pears are a low-sugar fruit that is high in fiber and vitamin C. They also contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are a citrus fruit that is low in sugar and high in vitamin C. They are also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 2. Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit that is low in sugar and high in fiber. It is also a great source of vitamin C, which can boost the immune system. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is a low-sugar fruit that is high in healthy fats and fiber. It also contains a compound called beta-sitosterol, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. So, there you have it, the top 15 fruits for diabetes patients. Remember, when choosing fruits, it's important to choose ones that are low in sugar and high in nutrients. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can help manage your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. If you want to learn more about health and wellness, we highly recommend subscribing to the VitalsHealth YouTube channel. The channel provides valuable information and insights on various health topics, from nutrition, fitness, wellness, tips, and exercise, to natural remedies. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date on the latest health news and tips and be the first to know about new videos. So don't wait, click the subscribe button now, and join the VitalsHealth community. Disclaimer: the information provided in this YouTube channel is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or seen on this YouTube channel. If you think you may have a medical emergency, call your doctor or emergency services immediately. The views expressed on this channel are solely those of the author and do not necessarily represent the views of any other entity or organization. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.